So if you have been following us yesterday only we told that markets are likely to close below 18,000. Yesterday market closed above 18,000 and I told market was exactly at 18,024 or somewhere around, and I told 18,000 is going to be very hard to be taken out. And today what has happened, 17,924 we have closed. So the time now is around 4 o'clock, and I was pretty sure, and I had written 18,300 call option, 18,400 call option yesterday. Had the market gapped up, I would have been in problem, even though it was marginally opening in the green around 20 or 30 points today morning. We were waiting all day. The highest high was around 18,050 or 18,045 I think today. And throughout the day I can see people writing 18,000 short straddle. Only 2 more trading session, tomorrow and day after tomorrow. I think even 18,300 short straddle had you done today, maybe it would have given a 250 or 300 points. 300 points. So that was a good, there was a good amount of premium today in 18,300 short straddle. And plus today India VIX also went up significantly around 2.5%. So that was a good news. And look at the HDFC, Bank Nifty, Nifty, whatever we gained. This is the chart of Bank Nifty, HDFC. So yesterday's high was around, look at the way it is trading, and who is telling you India VIX has dropped below 18? In spite of India VIX dropping below 18, still we are going into turbulent market conditions. Markets are moving up and down. And yesterday's whatever profit yesterday done by HDFC Bank is gone out today. And look at the trap, how the people trap. FIIs and DIs were net buyers yesterday. Looking at this long candle, some retailers would have bought HDFC Bank, and today it is coming out. You imagine people who would have bought at 17,020 and now market is at 16,004. Right? 1,604. Had someone bought at 1,720, they would have been in big loss. But this is how market behaves, right? Even in Bank Nifty also, whatever profit was done yesterday is taken out today. Let me go to 1 day time frame. Yeah, this is how Bank Nifty is worst. This is purely because of HDFC Bank. Yesterday I told, if HDFC Bank was not performing yesterday, we would have been in flat territory. We would have traded flat only, would have made good money. Anyway, yesterday we shorted call option. I knew this is not going to happen and market is not going to reach 18,600. The way 18,000 call buildup was, very aggressive call building was happening at 18,000 calls and puts. So that's what I'm saying. 18,000 short straddle is being written aggressively. Yesterday whole day there was put writing, and today only call writing. Heavy volume in call writing. Calls were happening today. So probably, as I told you, 18,000 may act as a good resistance. So today Bank Nifty and Nifty, I think Nifty has closed below crude. Today's close was 17,931 and high was around 18,080 or 85 somewhere. And maybe tomorrow, if as I talk to you, US futures are really in the red. Dow future is down by 93 or 94 points, and probably second week of April, our RBI Governor Shaktikant Das will come out with the repo rates, and I think they are going to increase the repo rate. So keeping that in mind, people would start pulling out of stock market, or they will slowly come out of the stock market. And as I told you, the trend is being respected. So if you see in a daily chart, okay, I think, if you see it in a daily chart, let me take you to Nifty Bank, Nifty 50, and if you see this chart, so there is a channel formation around There is a channel formation. So we saw this yesterday also, day before yesterday also we saw that there is a channel formation around this area. So that is what is happening here. See here, yeah. That is what is happening here. Channel formation is happening, and this is the first, third lower lows. This is the high, then second lower low, third lower low. So market might go on the downside. That is what I am expecting. And there is no any positive news. All whatever positive news we had is being factored into, and because, as I told earlier also, because of HDFC Bank. If HDFC Bank was not performing yesterday, we would have not touched 18,000. 18,000 is going to be a super support to be resistance to be taken out. If 18,000 is crossed, I don't think 18,000 will be crossing tomorrow. The way it is trading, 18,000 is not going to be crossed tomorrow. That is very much evident in the open interest itself. See the amount of call rating in 18,000. Around 2.3 million, around 25 lakh calls are being written in, today alone has been written in 18,000. And as I told you, 18,000 short straddle. Total calls, open interest in 18,000 is around 75 lakh. Open interest is being built in 18,000. So that's a huge quantity. Even if it crosses 18,000 above 18,000, 18,200 is going to be the super resistance. And on the downside, when you compare with the call side, downside there is less amount of call rating, put rating. So call rating, when you compare call rating versus put rating, there is aggressive call rating. And even Bank Nifty is also the same scenario. People are writing aggressive call. Oh my god, yeah. See, look at here, 38,500. Look how the scene has changed just one trading session. From 38,500, yesterday people who, anyone who would have written 38,500 would have made good money, right? So anyway, markets are like this, and we cannot do anything about that. As I told you, yesterday we wrote 18,300 call option, I think around 40 rupees. Now it is come below 20 or 17 rupees, I think. 18,300, I'm sorry, 18,300. I knew it is not going to touch 18,000. It is not going to cross 18,200. So that's what, as I told you, there is no good news. All positive news are being factored into. Maybe they will cook some news in future, maybe 1 or 2 days. Maybe that they will bring Russia-Ukraine issue back and they will tell something or other. I don't know. We have to wait how things pan out. And as I told you, it is time for shorting the market. Go and sell call options. You will make good money. And that's what we have been doing for 2 or 3 trading days. And in spite of market yesterday going up, I had 18,500 call option. In spite of market going up, we made some good money on 18,500 because call option, India VIX was dropping around. It dropped more than 5 or 6% yesterday. So that was a good thing which happened yesterday, and we made good money in 18,500. Today morning 18,300 I sold. And on the downside, I don't have any. I have not written any put options because I am bearish. So I have written more calls than put. So that's what, let's see. I expect the market to go on the downside, whether it is open interest or whether the trend line formation it's being respected. So hopefully market should so thank you for. So in the coming days, market might inch towards on the downside. So 17,500 is acting as a good support. So let's hope for the best. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye.